Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to get the Roman numbers in Excel. So, as sample data with the numbers as well as we need to get it in the Roman numbers here. So, we have the normal numbers here. For that, what you can do, use a function called as Roman, open bracket, select this number, close the bracket, hit enter. Just copy this or double click on it. So, you get your Roman numbers here. See, I don't have these numbers, but I want to get it, the Roman numbers here from here. So say example, we don't have this column, okay? We need to get it. For that, what you can do, use a row. What row function, what it does is row, open bracket and close the bracket. It gives you the what row you are in. So you can see that this is highlighted is fourth row. So it shows us fourth row. For this, you can give -3 if you want to start from here, the Roman numbers. Okay. So now it is shows 1. Prior to row, just type it as Roman, open bracket and close the bracket. So now you see, just drag this one. So without these numbers, you can get it by adding a row number and minus based on the which row you are standing. So if you are in fourth row, so you are using it as 3 here. If you are in fifth row, you'll be using it as 4 here. -4, so that it takes this first row as the 1. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.